Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to solder AMS1117 voltage regulator SMD IC without using any special components. You already know that solder a SMD component we need a hot air soldering iron, but it's very expensive. In this video we are going to show you how to do the same thing without using a hot air soldering iron but using a regular 30 watt small soldering iron. So let's see how we are going to do it. To do this, what you want is a 30 watt soldering iron, 30 watt or 20 watt will be fine, a tweezer, a small tweezer, and also you need 0.6 mm diameter of soldering wire. This is our PCB where we're going to solder our component, our SMD component. First we are going to melt the soldering wire and put a little dot on a one pin of the PCB. And then we place the SMD component on top of the place where it should be on the PCB. And we give a little pressure on top of the component by using the tweezer to keep it steady without moving. While giving the pressure from the top of the component, we melt the pin with the soldering paste. Then you can see the component will be attached to the PCB. Now we can solder the other two pins. And also make sure not to keep the soldering iron on top of a pin for more than 3 seconds because the heat can damage the component. Here you can see we have done soldering our SMD chip on the PCB surface without using an expensive hot air soldering iron but just using a cheap 30 watt soldering iron and a small tweezer. Hope this video will help you to solder AMS1117 SMD chip at your home with the basic tools you have. So don't forget to drop your experience as a comment. Stay tuned with us for another interesting video like this, and until then, happy soldering.